This is a second-hand Bobcat E20 hydraulic crawler excavator. The Bobcat E20 excavator is equipped with the original Kubota D722 engine. The core components are all original. The working weight of the whole machine is 2,570 kg. Zero tail swing. Widely used in construction and farm. The bucket capacity is 0.04 cubic meters. Power is 10.4 kilowatt. Boom side shift function. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Clean and amazing appearance. Used excavators are more cost-effective.